In this video, I will show you two new methods on how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. So let me show you the two new methods. So the first one, after you open up the Binance, go to this option menu at the top left side, then scroll to down and click on this option, more services. So scroll to down. After you scroll to down, so now you have two options. So the first one now you click on this withdraw fiat. So click on this withdraw fiat. So under this withdraw fiat, so now you have you have an option. So the first one, all you have to do now after you come to this option, so you click on this menu at this section. After you click on this section, now you'll be able now to see all the available currency. So you go ahead now and choose whether your currency is available. As you can see now, these are the available currency. So if your currency is available, all you have to do, just select your currency. Let's say I want to use this one. So after you select your currency, so from then you click on this continue button. So from there it will take you to the option where it will ask you to type in the amount you want to withdraw. After you type in the amount, from there it will ask you to just select your bank and wait for some minutes. From there it will just give you the verification method, and from there you can be able now to withdraw the money into your bank account directly using this method. But if your currency is not available in this option, now if you click on this option and you find out that your currency is not available, so let me show you the second method. So the second method, you click on this option back, and then you go to this back option. So under this, as you can see now, under this option, you have this one which says sell to fiat, this one. So if you click on this sell to fiat, so from this option now you select the coin that you want to withdraw to the bank. So let's say I want to withdraw this one. After you select the sell to fiat, so the first thing to do, now you type in the amount you want to withdraw or you want to send. So I'll just type in, let's say 20. After you type in the amount in USDT, so here it will give you the amount. So from there, you just click on this receive method, this one. So under this receive method, you click on this little arrow at the top, this one. So after you click on this option, now these are all available countries. So the next thing to do, now you go ahead now and choose your country. So select your country. So let's say in this country, let's say this one. After you select your country, so just click on this confirm button. After you confirm, if your country has any bank account that is eligible to receive money from Binance, the bank account will be available for you in this option. So for me, I have two bank accounts. So the first one is, as you can see now, AirTM, that's AirTM, and the second one is Skrill Money, so it's Skrill Money Booker, that's Skrill. So for this country that I currently choose, it has two options to receive money directly from Binance. That's the first one is AirTM, and the second one is Skrill. And from this option, as you can see now, you'll be able to see the amount you'll be receiving. I add 20 USD and I'll be receiving 18.04 USD. And for this second option as well, as you can see now, I'll be receiving 18.04 USD. Thus, they will remove some charges from the initial amount you added. I added 20 USD and I'll be getting 18.04 USD. And that's the option. So now just select now the payment method you want to use. After you select the payment method, just tap on the continue button. So from there, it will give you option where it will ask you to add in your bank detail. After you add in your bank detail, and there is some verification. After you finish the verification, from there you just wait for some minutes, and from there they will convert your money from the Binance into your local currency. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.